Welcome to the Accenture Innovation Center. My name is Simon and I would like to show you how you can connect your sensor very easily with the Cloudrail system to the Microsoft Azure Cloud and show the sensor data in PowerBI.
Here you can see our reactor, which we can very easily retrofit with our sensors, and the Cloudrail box you can see here. And with the green cable it is connected to our IO-Link master from IFM. And here you can see our proximity sensor, which we can connect into the IO-Link master.
Automatic sensor detection works for different vendors like IFM, SIG or Balluff.
Then we go to the Cloudrail webpage and we can select our Cloudrail box and create a new connection. We choose directly connected sensors. And then we select the port 5 where our sensor is already detected. Here we can see select the frequency with which the sensor data is sent. We can select interval or unchanged where threshold has to be exceeded, and here we can select the Microsoft Azure IoT Hub where we type in the name of the device. So now the device has already been created, and here we can see the loading status. And if we wait for a few seconds, now we can see that the sensor has been detected and is online. Next, we go into our Azure IoT Hub and we can already see our sensor under devices. And we also have an overview about the messages used today and how many devices, IoT devices, are connected. We can take a look at our endpoints. Before we can send anything to our Power BI visualization, we have to set up a stream analytics job where we ingest data, we can analyze the data, and we have to output the data. So let's create an input. We create a stream input, and then we type in our subscription IoT Hub. And the endpoint here, I've already done this, and you can see how it looks like if it's finished. Then you also have to create output, where you select the Power BI output, and then as authentication mode, you select the user token, type in a name for the data set and table name, and authorize your connection. Here again, I've already done it, and you can see how I typed in the names and I already authorized the stream analytics job. Then you have to add a query. Here's a very simple query where we select everything from the input table and then stream everything to the output if the distance is not 0. We can also test the query, and we can see that everything works how it should. Last step here is we go back to the overview and start the stream analytics job. The job has started successfully, and now we can go to our Power BI and create a workspace and dashboard. Here I've already done a dashboard template. I add the tile to implement the sensor data. I select stream data, then my data set. I select the line chart as visualization type. As values, of course, the distance in centimeters. And I want to see the last 5 minutes. I enter a title for the tile and apply the changes. Now, if I put something in front of the proximity sensor, we should see the values streaming into our IoT Hub through our Stream Analytic job into the Power BI dashboard. And as expected, you can see here the sensor data arrives and is visualized accordingly.
Like that, every asset is connected to the cloud services, and that makes retrofitting of, for example, motors, presses or conveyors very easy and simple.
I hope you enjoyed this brief demonstration of the Cloudrail system, and if you would like to know more, please reach out to the Accenture Innovation Center. Thank you very much.